Good morning, everybody. Today you'll need your workbook, an exercise book, and your pencil case. In today's lesson, you're going to look at pages 34 and 35 of your workbook, comparing, ordering, and estimating. Let's read the questions together. Question number 1. Use the smaller than and bigger than signs to compare the numbers. So here we have B's and here we have B's. Which is bigger? Which is smaller? Put the sign smaller than or bigger than in the box. Draw pictures to make the sentences true. So here you have to draw a number of pictures and here another number. This must be smaller. This must be bigger. And here it's the opposite. Here you'll have the bigger number and here you'll draw the smaller number. Number 3. A. Use smaller than and bigger than signs to compare the numbers. Look at the two numbers and remember that the crocodile always eats the bigger numbers. If you have problems with these exercises, you can watch the video from last week. B. Choose the numbers to complete the number sentences. 18 is bigger than this number. Here we must put in a number that is smaller than 18. 18 is smaller than this number. So here we must put a number that is bigger than 18. Put the pictures in order. Label them first, second, third, and fourth. Here we have the life cycle of a butterfly, and here we have the life cycle of a person. So which is first, which is second, which is third, and which is fourth? Question number 5. Write the numbers in order from smallest to biggest. Here we have 71, 24, 53, 21, and 34, and they are not in order. Start with the smallest, so here we'll have the smallest, which is 21, and here we'll have the biggest. The biggest is 71, and then you have to put the others in order. Do the same for the others. Now, pause the video and complete pages 34 and 35. Remember, if you have any difficulties, you can watch the video from the 24th of March last week. When you've finished, watch the rest of the video to check your answers. Question number 1. Use the smaller than and bigger than signs to compare the numbers. Do you remember the crocodile's mouth? The mouth of the crocodile eats the bigger number. So, which is bigger? 2 B's or 4 B's? That's right. This is bigger. So, we choose this sign here. 2 is smaller than 4. Let's look at the butterflies. We have 6 here and 3 here. Which is bigger? That's right, 6 is bigger. So we choose this sign here. 6 is bigger than 3. Here we have 1 bird. Here we have 5 birds. 5 is bigger. So we choose this sign here. 1 is smaller than 5. And finally, here we have 7 frogs. Here we have 5 frogs. And 7 is bigger than 5. Draw pictures to make the sentences true. Here I've drawn 3 cylinders, and this sign means that 3 is smaller than these. So here I have to draw more than 3. I can draw 4 or 5 or 6. 3 is smaller than 5. The next is cubes. 4 cubes is more than 1 cube or 2 cubes or 3 cubes. 4 is more or bigger than 3. Question number 3. Use the smaller than and bigger than signs to compare these numbers. 37 is bigger than 26. 12 is smaller than 92. 34 is smaller than 44. 35 is smaller than 53. 64 is bigger than 46. 79 is bigger than 63. Choose numbers to complete the number sentences. 18 is bigger than, these are just examples, bigger than 15, 16, 17, 10, 9. 36 is bigger than 26. 53 is bigger than 43. 18 is smaller than 20. 36 is smaller than 46. 53 is smaller than 63. Remember, these are just some examples. Question number 4. Put the pictures in order. Label them first, second, third, and fourth. Obviously, the first picture is already done. It's the eggs of the butterfly. The eggs then become a caterpillar, which is the second picture. Then the caterpillar becomes a pupa, which is the third picture, and the pupa transforms into a beautiful butterfly, which is the fourth picture. B, the first picture is the baby, the second picture is the little girl, the third picture is the young lady, and the last picture, the fourth, is the old lady. Question number 5. Write the numbers in order from smallest to the biggest. So, the first one we did together, 21 is the smallest number. Then in order, 24, 34, 53, and 71 is the biggest number. The next set of numbers, we have 2, which is the smallest. Then in order, 13, 51, 68, and the biggest number is 93. Then 6 is the smallest number. In order, we have 18, 23, 31, and the biggest number is 84. The next set of numbers, 7, 17, 27, 47, and the biggest number is 77. And finally, smallest number is 9, next is 19, 29, 98, and the biggest number is 99. That's all for today. Goodbye.